Hi students, good morning to you all. Students, in last session we learnt about compound and its subsidiary topics. Let little bit revise and then we will go ahead. Okay, so let remind something in your mind whatever we learnt in last session. First of all, we have to remind in our mind and then we will go ahead. Okay, see, in last sessions means periods we learnt Samahar Dvand and rules of Samahar Dvand. Gives meaning of group, means in Samahar Dvand always you see groups. After that we learnt words used like animal, music instrument and army etc., soldiers, whatever. Okay, these types of groups we can see in Samahar Dvand. Again repeat, this is the most important things for Samahar Dvandam. Words used like animal, musical instrument, army etc. Okay, and third one is only follows neuter forms. Okay, only follows neuter form means Napusakalin forms we have to remind here in Samahar Dvand. Phalam, phale, phalani. Napusakalin means singular ekvachan form, here we have to remind. Okay, for Samahar Dvand. Phalam, phale and phalani, it's a format of neuter form and we have to remember these things. Phalam, okay, according to phalam we have to change whatever vigra splitting in Samahar Dvand. Okay students, this is the concept we learnt in last sessions. It gives group meaning, it gives words, and that means identity like animals, musical instruments, army etc., and then we have to only follow neuter form, and neuter form format is like this: phalam, phale, phalani, and the most important thing you will remember for this, phalam only. Okay, so remind and remember in your mind. And after that we have seen some examples of Samahar Dvand in last sessions. Okay students, now today we have to learn another rule 2 of Samahar Dvandam. Okay, so let ready to learn new topic of Samahar Dvand. Okay, what is the rules of this second part of Samahar Dvand? See, by birth, if any opposite things or enmity, by birth means every day, every time we using the opposite words. Okay, so that is known as the first rule for Samahar Dvand. Opposite things and enmity. Enmity means both words look as enemy. So in this we have to remember rule number 2 for Samahar Dvand. Main thing, opposite things and enmity. Okay, this is the second part. In this part we learn groups like animal, instruments and army, soldiers, whatever, about groups. Now in this rule 2 we have to get knowledge about opposite things and enmity. In exam if you will see these types of words like opposite things and enmity, at that time you have to choose the answer Samahar Dvand. Okay, and if in option Dvandam given, then also you will choose that is right. For example, option A give Bahurvihi, option 2 give Tatpurush, option C give Dvandam. At that time don't worry students. Okay, if you identify this compound is Samahar Dvand, then that option you will choose Dvandam. Okay, it will not be wrong, so don't worry. But here Samahar Dvand, the regular rules must have to learn, so remember in your mind. So by birth, opposite things and enmity. Okay, at that time it is known as which? Samahar Dvand, rule number 2, opposite things and enmity. Students, here I have written some examples of rule number 2. In these examples, let you keep in your mind, we have to learn about opposite things and enmity. About these two things we have to learn. Okay. See, I am reading this. If any problem in writing, handwriting, so that's why I am reading first. So see, first word is ahihi cha nakulah cha tayo samahara. Okay. Second, kakah cha ullukah cha tayo samahara. Okay. And third, musakah cha marjarah cha tayo samahara. Okay. These three examples we have to learn for rule number 2, opposite things and enmity. So let pay attention how it will be changed as samahar dwan. Okay. Rules same as we have to remove cha, tayo samahar, okay, vibhakti forms, whatever. So keep this in your mind. See, ahihi cha nakulah cha tayo samahar. First of all, we have to see how many, 1 and 2. And the rule is opposite things and enmity. See, ahi means snake and nakul means mongoose. Okay. Snake and mongoose both are counted in enmity. Okay. And opposite things too. So it's a rule, follow rule number 2 of samahar dwan. Now how many, 1 and 2, so dual form. Another thing, we have to keep ekvachan, singular form, okay, in this word, second word. How it will change? First of all, first step, remove case forms. See here, visarg will remove, then cha, okay, then again cha, here this, and tayo samahar also remove here. Okay. Now 1 and 2 words, ahi and nakul remaining. See, first you will write here ahi, same as, okay, and here we have to follow ekvachan, singular form. Okay. Nakul is, it's a masculine form too, so naku, and then singular form, neuter form we have to follow here, so ma, ahi, nakula, and ma, singular form. Okay. Ahi nakulam. In exam, how you will identify this? By ma. And another thing, ahi and nakul, both enmity words and opposite things too. So remember this in your mind. Second example, kakah cha ullukah cha tayoho samahara. 1 and 2 words, dual forms. Kakah means crow and ulluk means owl. Okay. It's a history of, behind these two words, kakah and ulluk, how this enmity happened. But remember here enmity words, kakah and ullukah. Okay. Kakah means crow and ulluk means owl. First of all, first step, remove case forms. Cha also remove case form cha and tayo samahar. Okay. Now 1 and 2 words, one is kakah remaining and another is ulluka. First let us write here kakah, okay, and then write this ullukam, and then singular form here you will write ma. Okay. Kakah ulluka ma. In exam this word will give, not this. Okay. Kakah ullukam, this way give, downside 1, 2 and 3 option will give. Okay. How you will identify this? First, for example, tatpurus give, second bahurvi, and third one give samahar dwan, this way. Okay. So in exam how we will see? First ma, singular form neuter, and another form see this kaka ullukam, opposite things and enmity too. So this way you can choose answer as samahar dwan. Okay, next मूषकः च मार्जारः च तयो समाहारः. मूषकः means mouse, rat. Marjarah means cat, means opposite enmity thing. Okay, you know friends, Musak and Marjarah enmity words. So first, how many dual form? And first step, remove case form, vibhakti, cha also remove, here also case form, cha, tayo samahara also. Now 1 and 2 words remaining here. Musak write here as musaka, okay, and second word marjara, and have to follow singular ekvachan form. Okay, ma-ja-ra and then ma. Okay, mushaka marjaram. And in exam already told in first and second, here also you will keep in your mind musak marjaram. This is the rule number 2 of samahar dwan. Enmity and opposite things at that time you will follow like this. Okay students, this is the rule number 2 of samahar dwan. And last topic of samahar dwan we have to learn. Okay, simple and sober this topic is, and rarely it will come in exam, but we have to get its a knowledge too. Rarely if in board exam or in 9th standard asked in exam, then we have to know about this. Rarely. Ek says, it's a name suggested as ek means only one and says means remaining. Okay, ek says, and a compound follows to the male form only. See, the main thing for ek says, remember, the compound follows to the male form. Means in our example we have to focus on male form. If feminine form give and male form give, then we have to focus on male form for ek says. See, Ramah, Ramo and Ramaha, this format we have to know here. Ramah, Ramo and Ramaha, male form masculine. First, only one word. First rule is only one word. Example, Ramah cha, Ramah cha. Okay. First rule is like this, only one word. In your example, see, Ramah here, masculine form, cha, Ramah cha means single word. And how you will make this in ek says compound? First you will write this Rama, okay, and then what, how many, 1 and 2 dual form. So which you will follow here, Ramaha and Ramaha dual form. So this will happen Ramo. So here you will write like this, Ramo, okay, Ramaha cha Ramaha means Ramo. Now second, Krishnaha cha, Krishnaha cha. Here also Krishna and here also Krishna, same person. So first step is second, means dual form. First write like this, Krishna, and follow dual form, here Ramo. So Krishna, this way. Okay, if same person give dual form, at that follow Ramo format, Ramo. Krishna cha, Krishna, same word give, at that time follow Krishna dual form. Okay, students, next we will see some. Okay students, we have seen 1-2 examples. Now we will go ahead on example 3. See here students, again Bharatah cha, Bharatah cha, Bharatah cha. One word repeating 3 times. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. If 2 person at that time dual form, more than 2 means plural form, or more than 3, 4, 5 at that time plural form. Here 1, 2 and 3 time Bharat were given. So 1, 2 and 3 means more than 2. What we have to follow here? Plural format. Okay, means Ramaha, Ramo and Ramaha. Ramaha here you have to keep in your mind. Why Ramaha? Because 1, 2 and 3 persons. So this word will happen as compound like this. First Bharat. Okay, case form removes cha also. Here also cha and cha. Here case form also. Bharat, and then 1, 2, 3 plural form, and the plural form happen like this, Ramaha. So here what happened? Bharataha, this way. Okay. Now fourth. See, Balakah cha, Balakah cha, Balakah cha. Okay, again repeat. See, Balakah cha, Balakah cha, Balakah. Here Visarga will come. Sorry, Balakah cha. 1, 2 and 3. More than 2 means plural form. Okay, and plural form means Ramaha have to remind. So first case form remove, cha also, case cha, and here cha and case. Then write ba, la, ka, and plural form like this, Ramaha, then balakaha. Okay, so this is the rule number 2 of excess. 1, 2 and 3 persons means plural form. Now second, both words different. Mata cha, pita cha. See here, mata also different and pita also different. Here mother form and here father form. So different words. How you will solve this? In exam, students, these types of words asked many times. So remember these things. How you will change this? First of all, you will keep that in your mind, male form. This format will change in compound. So this will gone away, cha also and cha. Okay, here we have to follow the compound word. First regular word write there, pita. Okay, and if mata and pita means parents word come, at that time ra have to plus, and dual format 1 and 2 dual we have to follow. So you will write like this, and this row, remember this, mata and pita word come then. Okay, pita row. Next, hansi cha, hansaha cha. Okay, here also male and female and male format. Okay, this male and this female. First on male we have to focus, because this will change in compound word. Okay, see, already whatever we have to remove, cha removes, case form and cha. Okay, hansa, write this word, and dual format you have to follow here, hanso. Already here hansa row, wrong pattern, only mata pita like this relationship given, at that time ra have to plus relationship, but here male and female given as hansi and hansa. So hanso we have to write here. Next, chataka cha, chatakaha cha. Chatka female form and chatakaha male form. So here we have to follow compound word. Cha will gone away here also, and this removes. Okay, cha, ta and cow, right? Then cow. Okay, cha, ta, cow, dual form. Next, Narah cha, Nari cha. Nar means male and Nari means female. Okay, here focus. This is already gone away everywhere, so remember this, and this will happen like this. Na ro. Okay, na ro. Fifth number, balakah cha, balika cha. Balak male form, balika female form, case form removes, cha also, here also cha, and this balika also. Only we have to see male form, ba la ka. Okay, this is the ek शेष rule, so keep in your mind. If plural give, then Ramaha format you have to keep in your mind. Dual form give, then Ramo. Okay, second, both words different, and if relationship happen at that time, Ra must have to plus. So remember, Mata cha Pita given, Pitaro word happen, and male form focus. Second, Hansi cha, Hansah cha, and focus on Hansa word, so it happen as Hanso. 3, Chataka cha, Chatakah cha, Chatakah male form, so Chatako happen. Narah cha, Nari cha, Naro. And last 5th, Balakah cha, Balika cha. This Balako we will write here. Okay. Now next we will learn Tatpurush Samas in next session.